along with me are Adam and Mehwish. We are from Khyber College of Dentistry. According to the theme of Oral Health Day, we should be proud of our smiles. In other words, we should accept our flaws, hashtag self-love. But self-love means self-care.
This is Marwa Kakakail from 3rd year BDS. We're here to celebrate the World Oral Health Day today. The slogan for 2023 is Be Proud of Your Mouth.
I'm Marwa. I'm from Bacha College of Dentistry, Mardan. We're here today at RMI for the World Oral Health Day project. We have made posters about fluoride, the importance of fluorides in dentistry, and the general groundwater level of fluorides in Pakistan and Mardan in general. We're very impressed by the event today. There's been a lot of participation by many different colleges around KPK. It's been amazing.
Oral cavity is the only place where you would not want a crown.
Healthier gums, stronger teeth.